damn it. Don't you think I left my wallet now?
Welcome to my world. Alright, I found a good background to start this video. Hi everyone! Alright, it's actually afternoon. Half of the day is gone because we just spent some time catching up on our stuff. We had lunch and yeah, I didn't do anything much exciting. But now we are going to this arcade. I'm gonna tell you the name. So we are going to Senichimae Dogu Yasuji Shotengai. I'm sure that my pronunciation is top class.
Your pronunciation.
Senichimae do Yuagushi Shotengai. Anyway, I will film the entry so you see a little bit how it's written. So what is this place? It's a sort of arcade where all the chefs and all the people that they own restaurants, they go to buy potteries and chopsticks and all this kind of stuff like that. So I'm sure that we're gonna find a lot of nice things for our kitchen at home, hopefully. And after that we are going to the Namba shopping center because someone here needs some clothes. Believe it or not.
What does she mean?
He has only one knitwear that he's wearing all the day.
Two.
Oh, where is the second one? You never wear it.
My sandal.
But it's not warm enough, the second one. Anyway, I don't feel on top of my game with the hat and the hair like this.
I think it's more the jacket.
Yeah, the jacket.
To be honest.
Do you want to hold the umbrellas?
Yeah.
And maybe I'm gonna get a new jacket because I hate this one. I mean, it works in Sapa in the hill in Vietnam.
See, I told you all the time that you had to keep your H&M from Australia.
Yeah, but I wanted a new one anyway, that's why I didn't keep it, so now I'm forced to buy a new jacket.
Why did you buy it in the first place? Why didn't you buy one that you wanted in the first place?
Because I didn't find any nice things in Australia. Or you already forgot how terrible is the shopping in Australia. You find just tank tops and thongs.
That's the weirdest thing, by the way. You know, everyone at home, they call flip-flops thongs.
Because they are thongs for the toes.
That's so weird.
Anyway, we are getting the tube now, and yeah, see you in a bit when we arrive to the arcade.
You still haven't walked this street, Ale.
Oh yeah, I want to show you, this is our local little arcade, just next to where we live.
Unfortunately, there's no tuna head outside this
yeah, usually here they have a huge tuna head. So this is gonna be a mini vlog today. He's been doing this for 2 days straight. I can't stand this noise anymore. Everyone is turning, looking at him as well when he walks like that. Drink of the day! Vincent is going for this one.
It's a melon cream soda.
Melon cream soda. Excuse me! It's nice? My dear Lord.
Did you see the color?
Yeah. It's like dishwashing liquid. This is a shop of all fake food things. You see all the magnets. Oh, look! The magnet of the takoyaki. That's cute. This one is cute.
We have to think of what we want our magnet to look like.
Yeah. Wow. So you see here you have all the lanterns that you hang outside the restaurants, the outfits, aprons, shoes for the restaurant. So it's all restaurant related stuff. Look how many chopsticks. So what have you got there?
This is a Japanese beer.
What kind of beer?
Hitachino.
Oh, Kitachino.
Hitachino.
Hitachino.
Huh?
Komchai.
Is that what you say?
I think so. This is the name of the place if you are into, you want a nice beer and you are around the area of Namba.
Nice small place.
Yeah,
A bit surprised to find it here actually.
yeah.
In the middle of all the arcades.
In the middle of
and
the Namba arcades,
all
yeah.
the noise and the crowds. But that's a quiet place at the moment.
So how did it go, the shopping experience?
Actually really well. Got out of it without a severe loss of money.
You didn't buy anything at all. Okay, what's happening now?
Now we're queuing to this popular restaurant that Alessia had heard of, and I also got it recommended by someone I've met. I don't remember who.
That's the one, Ichiran.
Ichiran.
It's the introvert ramen, and you will see why.
Okay.
So you order on those machines. So you have ramen. Yeah. Okay.
So we're inside, and this turns out to be like the seat selection. So all the free seats are blinking. I think they're showing green for free. Yeah, and red for full. So I think that's some vacant spaces.
Yeah, but not in here.
And we need to circle here our preference of how we want our ramen.
Yeah, so
We have
like,
already like paid in this machine outside the door, where you put in money and then you select what you want, and then you get change and a little like receipt, and then you're lined up outside this booth.
ah, okay. Okay. So we can.
So we came into this room. Here we sit.
Sorry, you
And the chef on the other side.
Okay.
And we need to do that. Fill in. So I'll fill my preferences. Sending it through the hatch. Something's going on the other side.
それでは少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたします。
And now they said something to us, and then they
Now it
pull
looks
down this
like we
little
have-
screen.
Now it looks like we have a big space, but usually because I open this, it will be closed.
Normally it's closed, so you sit like in your little booth.
The water.
Just water, okay.
It's just like so fast. What is this? You can write some notes. Arigato. So this is the infamous. Let me close the hatch.
I saw him bow too.
Yeah, he both.
I don't know if it was towards us or it was the kitchen.
Alright, let's try this super famous ramen. Let's start with the broth a little bit.
Okay, boss.
When I'm nervous, I get bossy.
Boss, you're
Smells
nervous
delicious.
24/7.
Are you trying or not? It's very nice. The broth is creamy, and it's like
Really like.
it's almost like if there is a cream in there. It's not just broth.